Unit 6 Adjectives. Listening practice. Exercise 1. Listen to track 16 about possessives and repeat the reading out loud. My friends are awesome. One of them is Thomas. His birthday is on April 17th. He is quite friendly. His email address is thomas-0011@mail.com. Another friend is Sarah. She's very smart. Her birthday is on December 24th. Her email address is sarah_/546@gmail.com. Lois and Mark are my friends too. They are 20 and 25 respectively. Their house is close to my house. We study English together. Our class starts at 7:30 a.m. We learn in Colombia. Its capital city is Bogota. We like to practice English every day because we improve a lot like that way.